In this video, I will guide you feet to meter conversion and meter to feet convert in Excel with formula. It's pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. I have few values here. Here is the feet and I am converting these feet to in meter. So how you can do that? Put is equal to and use the convert function and open the bracket. Select the cell, comma, space and double quote and use feet for ft double quote comma double quote and you are converting into meter, so you need to type m for meter double quote and close the bracket and hit enter. So 15 feet is equal to is 4.5 meter, so drag it and find out the values. So this is very easy. So if you want to convert meter into feet, then how you can do that? You need to put is equal to convert bracket open, select the cell, comma, space, double quote, and now this time type m for meter double quote comma double quote and ft for feet double quote and close the bracket and here. So here is the vice versa. You can easily convert feet to meter and then meter to feet. So I hope this conversions helps you to understand the process and your life will be easy for Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.